Hello everybody, I'm Pascal Rophé, Chief Conductor of the Radio Television Symphony Orchestra, and I am absolutely delighted to open next season, the jubileum season of the amazing Lisinski Hall in September. We are going to perform for you two absolute masterpieces, two operas with no words, so symphonic version of one, Pelléas Debussy, and second, Ring Wagner. The perspective between these two composers will be absolutely incredible. So I'm really looking forward to seeing you next September in Lisinski.
Ja, herzliche Grüße von den Wiener Sinfonikern hier aus dem Wiener Konzerthaus, wo wir uns schon vorbereiten auf ein wunderbares Konzert, was wir im Oktober in Zagreb spielen werden. Wir freuen uns sehr, nach Zagreb im Oktober zu kommen, um mit Ihnen zusammen 50 Jahre Lisinski Concert Hall zu feiern. Eine große Freude und Ehre für uns zugleich, für Sie dieses schöne Konzert, dieses wunderbare Programm zu spielen. Wir werden Ihnen die Ouvertüre zum Meistersinger von Nürnberg mitbringen, von Benjamin Britten, das wunderbare Violinkonzert und natürlich Beethovens 5. Symphonie zum Schluss. Das heißt, alle Voraussetzungen sind da, mit Ihnen richtig zu feiern. Wir gratulieren sehr herzlich von Seiten der Wiener Symphoniker und freuen uns schon sehr auf Oktober in Zagreb bei Ihnen.
I am extremely happy to be going back to Zagreb. I was there one time and I absolutely fell in love with the city. And to be bringing my orchestra, the NDR Elbphilharmonie Orchestra, to play concerts for the wonderful music-loving public there is a great pleasure and a great honor. And I really, really look forward to it.
Hello everybody, I'm very glad and very happy that I will participate the Gold 50 years anniversary of Lisinski Concert Hall season. In November this year I will perform together with Music Academy of Zagreb a great program of two composers, 20th and 20th century. So we are everybody looking forward to see in Lisinski to celebrate this unique season.
Dear Lisinski Concert Hall in Zagreb, my warmest greetings and congratulations on your 50th birthday. I'm very much looking forward to celebrate this together with you already on 25th of November when I'll be back on your wonderful stage. All the best to you and see you soon.
Hello my dear friends. I'm really happy to return back to Lisinski Hall after my concert with Zagreb Philharmonic some years ago. It's a great pleasure to perform in such a beautiful hall with a wonderful acoustic. And of course, I would like to congratulate you all with 50th anniversary of Lisinski Hall. Thank you very much and see you soon.
Hi everyone, I'm Daniel Rajskin, Chief Conductor of the Slovak Philharmonic Orchestra, and all of us were looking very much forward to our upcoming concert at Vatroslav Lisinski Hall next season in Zagreb. I remember performing in your wonderful concert hall both as soloist and as a conductor with the Zagreb Philharmonic a few years ago, and I'm very much looking forward to share a wonderful program with your dedicated audiences in the year where your great hall celebrates its 50th anniversary. So congratulations in advance, and we are very much looking forward sharing our passion for music and a great program with you in Zagreb.
Poštovana publiko, dragi prijatelji koncertne dvorane Vatroslava Lisinski. Velika mi je čast pripala ovim putem najaviti svoj prvi nastup u ciklusu Lisinski Subotom na dolazeće sezone, te fantastičnom slovačkom filharmonijom u sklopu naše zajedničke turneje sa maestrom Danielom Rajskinom. Izrazito me veseli naša suradnja, te nadam se vašem dolasku, što većem broju naravno, i što se kaže looking forward.
I would love to invite you to a wonderful gala concert that celebrates two anniversaries. The first anniversary is of the great Zagreb soloists. The Zagreb soloists are one of the greatest orchestras with such a traditional history, and I will be so honored and lucky to perform for their 70th birthday Mozart's Violin Concerto in G major. And the second birthday child, so to speak, is the Lisinski Concert Hall that celebrates its 50th anniversary. So I'm very, very much looking forward, and I hope to see all of you there.
Hello, my name is Jo Patton. I'm a clarinet player with the City of Birmingham Symphony Orchestra and currently player chair of the orchestra. The CBSO love going on tour. We love that opportunity to visit new cities, play in great concert halls and share our wonderful music making with your audiences. We're so excited to be able to come to Zagreb in March next year with our wonderful new chief conductor and artistic advisor, Kazuki Yamada. This will be our first European tour with him. We very much look forward to bringing a little bit of Birmingham with us and to very much experiencing your wonderful city and your wonderful concert hall. Very much looking forward and hoping to see you all in March. Bye!
Lijepi pozdrav svima. Moje čestitke su upućene osoblju dvorane, umjetnicima koji nastupaju, te onima koji na izravan ili neizravan način doprinose razvoju kulturnog života glavnog grada. Sa zadovoljstvom ćemo se vidjeti u Zagrebu, ja se nadam obostranim. Za mene će to biti čast, u dvorani sam nastupao više puta, u svim razdobljima svog razvojnog puta. Svima želim puno zdravlja, sreće i uspjeha u budućnosti. Hvala.
It is a great pleasure for me to introduce the orchestral concert of the Zagreb Academy of Music, together with the Jerusalem Academy of Music and Dance, which will be held at the Lisinski Hall in April 2024. I would also like to use this opportunity to congratulate the Lisinski Hall on their 50th concert season. My name is Ethan Gloverson, and I will conduct the concert. I am a professor of conducting a piano at the Jerusalem Academy of Music and Dance. We hope to see you all in April. And from Israel, I wish you all a wonderful concert season 2023-24.
Hi, it's Wayne Marshall here. Looking forward very much to next year's performance at Lisinski Hall to celebrate the 50th anniversary of this amazing concert hall. I've played there many times, and it's always a pleasure being there, and really very much looking forward to it. So, what do we say? Say, dobrodošli and hvala velika. See you next year.
50. jubilarna sezona fantastične Dvorane Lisinski i imam veliku čast i privilegiju da ću napraviti svoj debitanski recital upravo u toj sezoni 18.5. i jako se radujem tome. Na programu su dijela iz baroknog repertoara i toliko sam srećan što ću po prvi put imati priliku svirati pred zagrebačkom publikom. Vidimo se uskoro, veliki pozdrav od Miloša.